people, so we're back with another video. I just wanted to explain that the reason why I haven't uploaded in the past week was I didn't feel like it was necessary for me to upload a video during these tough times with the protests and stuff, especially with the whole BLM, Black Lives Matter movement. So I did not take part in any protests, but of course I followed the movement. I took time to reflect and stuff, and so now I'm back into doing videos. But enough about that. Today we're gonna go surprise my boy. Well, actually my boy is already surprised my boy and I'm rocking up late. But I thought I'd record the whole thing because it's just nice and it's better to, you know, rejoice and that sort of stuff rather than all the sad stuff going on in the world. So I thought I'd bring something happy to the channel, something different. And yeah, so Matt's late again. Stuff never goes to plan really. I'm late again, so I will join you guys when we're with the man them.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. When me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor and stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking.
We got another Evo finally in the group. It's been about time, obviously. Well, not another Evo. It's one Evo and one rally up, but hey, we got another Jack. So try and get some clips of him rolling and stuff, and try and get us doing a quick roller. But he is completely stock. It's an FQ360. I think his is like one of 100. I don't know if you can see him on the left here. Let's see if you can see him. Yeah, you can see his fender on the left there. So he's completely stock, so it'll be a good comparison to see. His is manual as well. I'm SST obviously, so it'll be a good comparison to see what the standing will be. Who knows? Damn, this rain is no joke. Is out here, it's his birthday.
Major squeaky bum time.
It keeps on looking like we're getting flashed there, but it's actually just the lightning, you know?
I feel like I'm outside just watching you guys driving
around. Squeaky bum time. The birthday boy, you're not giving up today, innit?
I've done a sick thing.
Yeah, I'm cruising.
Looking at doing another picture, could you, you know?
You're finished. If you're a big man, you'll do some pops.
I'm a one. I'm a one. I'm a 1-to-1. I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a 1-to-1. I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better.
As soon as we went there, they all there's the feds. Oh, roadblock. Oh, I don't know if you lot can see this yet, but roadblock.
Oh, no, fuck that. Where's he doing?
Oh shit.
He's behind it, basically. He's slowing down the traffic.
Yeah, he's blocking us.
Okay. Simple.
Don't make it too obvious though.
It's fucking it so hard, they need to slow down the traffic a bit. Just don't get trapped in it, don't get trapped. Formula 1 as soon as it moves.
Nah, there's no traffic, fam. I think they caught onto the runs.
No, listen. This is like when I drive coaches, they do that. If something's nothing further ahead, trust me.
Oh yeah, I see it often, but I'm saying I can't see anything. Like the traffic is clear, innit? But you're probably right.
Get to the front, boy. I'm trying to see what's going on. Think, why are they doing that to that car over there? Trust me. Yeah, try to slow the traffic down, turn ahead.
So I
They're
did
gonna
it.
BMW looks out of control.
Alright, yeah, just chill out then. Well, yeah, as you guys can see, there's a slowdown on the M25. There's been a crash. As you can see, whole thing locked off. But we've got the whole group out, fam. Got the whole group out. It's crazy. Oh shit, man. It's miles back, bro. Fucking miles back, bro. Jesus. Bro, it's miles back, fam. It's long. Fuck it, it's long, bro. Fuck, it's not moving though. It's not moving. Fam. Finished. Oh shit, man. Yeah, bro.
Oh, boy.
Woo!
BM fucking up.
They're leaving. Well, Min told me the next location so we can cut, but
Where is it?
northwest.
Where they going? Oh, what is it?
NWT. NWT, yeah. Yeah.
Send it!
Go! Yeah! Oh shit!
Watch behind you.
Shit then.
Yeah, bro.
Stock exhaust. Come on, man. Alright guys, so just wanted to say end the video on a good note. Happy birthday, Dan. Hope your birthday was sick. Hope we made your birthday lit. Also wanted to say that I'm not trying to record meets that much anymore because I don't find them that fun. I find the journey with that me and my boys do which is the fun part of it. So I try to record that mostly. But yeah, if you guys are looking, you know, back to regularly oh my gosh, back to regularly scheduled programming on the MGKG channel. So if you guys want to check out my other content that's how I've been away from this for too long. That's how out of it I am. If you guys want to check out my regular scheduled programming and check out my content out, it'll be all around this here. I just want to get off the camera now because it's just flopping. But yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.
It's wild shit trip. Life is lit, take a breath. It's it. Now it's wild shit a trip. Life is litty, the gift. So I'm in. I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish.